Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review of the JONSBO ZA-360BR Reverse PC Case Fan, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The JONSBO ZA-360BR is a unique all-in-one 3-in-1 120mm ARGB fan unit designed to elevate both the aesthetics and cooling performance of your PC build. Featuring a reverse blade design, this fan not only offers a striking visual appeal, but also ensures efficient airflow with minimal noise. One of the standout features is the four-sided infinity mirror effect created by 68 LEDs around the frame, plus 27 LEDs in parallel, delivering a stunning 1,000-layer mirror illusion that makes your setup truly eye-catching. The fans are 28mm thick, slightly thicker than standard fans, which contributes to improved airflow and quieter operation. Thanks to PWM control, the fan speeds can dynamically adjust between 700 and 2,400 revolutions per minute, maintaining a noise level between 21.3 and 37.3 dBA, making it a great choice for silent PC builds. Installation is simplified thanks to the all-in-one single-frame unit design, which eliminates the hassle of connecting multiple fans individually. It features a one-line connection to your motherboard's 3-pin ARGB header for synchronized lighting effects, and a 4-pin PWM power connector, streamlining cable management and setup. This fan unit supports over 16 million colors with addressable RGB synchronization, compatible with most motherboards. Although users with low-end boards or ASUS motherboards should note the LED control limitations and may need to add an ARGB controller or adjust settings in AURASync accordingly. Pros of the JONSBO ZA-360BR include its stunning infinity mirror lighting effect, quiet yet powerful airflow, simplified installation with a single frame and unified cables, and customizable ARGB lighting that fits minimalist aesthetics beautifully. The reverse blade design adds a unique touch to your build's look. On the downside, the extensive number of LEDs might exceed the control capacity of some motherboards, requiring an additional ARGB controller for full lighting functionality. Also, the 28mm thickness might pose compatibility issues in very tight cases. Lastly, the lighting non-illumination on some LED beads is not a defect, but a limitation related to motherboard control capacity, which might confuse some users. Overall, the JONSBO ZA-360BR is an excellent choice for users looking to combine high-performance cooling with captivating ARGB aesthetics and easy installation. Don't forget, the link to purchase this fan at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Grab yours while the deal lasts.